If you've ever come home exhausted, hungry, and staring at a sink full of dishes you definitely don't want to deal with, this might be the kitchen appliance that quietly fixes that problem. A lot of slow cookers promise convenience, but many either cook unevenly, feel cheaply made, or just take up space after the honeymoon phase ends. But the Indy Vac 6 Quart Programmable Slow Cooker actually surprised me in a few important ways. Today, we're taking a close look at the Indy Vac 6 Quart Programmable Slow Cooker with a removable, healthy, non-stick pot and olive. This is designed for busy families, meal preppers, and, honestly, anyone who wants real home-cooked meals without babysitting the stove for hours. And if you're tired of dry chicken, burnt casseroles, or appliances that overcomplicate simple cooking, this one deserves a look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. First thing I noticed is that this doesn't look like one of those bulky, outdated, slow cookers people hide in a cabinet. The olive finish gives it a cleaner, modern kitchen look, and the shape feels more practical than round models, especially for casseroles, pasta dishes, and layered meals. The removable 6-quart pot feels solid in the hands without being excessively heavy, and the ceramic coating has a smoother, premium feel compared to cheaper non-stick interiors that scratch after a few uses. What I also like is that it feels designed for real households. The size is large enough to comfortably feed 6 or more people, but it's not ridiculously oversized for smaller kitchens. If you meal prep, this capacity is actually useful because you can cook once and have leftovers for days without needing multiple batches. The handles stay manageable to grip even when the pot is full, which sounds small, but matters a lot when you're carrying hot food from the kitchen to the dining table. Now, when it comes to actual performance, this is where the experience gets better than expected. The flexible programming is simple enough that you don't need to constantly check the manual. You can choose high, low, or warm settings, then set the timer anywhere between 30 minutes and 20 hours. And the biggest convenience here is the automatic keep warm function. Once cooking finishes, it switches over by itself, so dinner isn't ruined if life gets busy for an extra hour or two. In real-world cooking, this thing handles soups, shredded chicken, chili, casseroles, and pasta dishes really well. The heating feels steady instead of aggressively boiling everything at the edges. I noticed ingredients kept more moisture compared to cheaper slow cookers that can overcook the outer layer while leaving the center uneven. And because the ceramic pot distributes heat more consistently, sauces don't scorch nearly as easily. Noise level is basically non-existent since it's a slow cooker, and cleanup is surprisingly painless. That removable non-stick pot makes a huge difference because food residue doesn't cling the way it does with older ceramic inserts. Even after heavier meals like creamy pasta or cheese-based casseroles, cleanup took only a few minutes with warm water and sponge. That alone makes it easier to actually use regularly instead of letting it collect dust. Now, to keep this honest, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're cooking for just one person most of the time, the 6-quart size may feel larger than necessary. And while the programmable controls are convenient, they're intentionally simple. So if you want advanced smart features, app connectivity, or pressure cooking functions, you'd probably lean towards something more expensive like an Instant Pot-style appliance instead. Compared to similarly priced slow cookers from Crock-Pot or Hamilton Beach, the Indy Vac stands out more for ease of cleaning and its casserole-friendly shape. A lot of round slow cookers struggle with layered dishes, but this one feels more versatile for family-style meals. The design also feels a bit more modern and less industrial, else sitting on the counter. Overall, I think this is best for busy families, beginners learning to cook at home, or anyone wanting healthier meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It simplifies dinner in a way that actually feels practical, not gimmicky. If your goal is less stress, fewer dishes, and reliable comfort food with minimal effort, this is genuinely a strong option for the price. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews that focus on real-world use instead of marketing hype. And if you want to check current pricing or availability for the Indy Vac Slow Cooker, the link is waiting for you down in the description before it sells out again.